So I thought that having 3D printers, as soon as you buy them, next thing you know, you're purchasing all this filament. Well, lo and behold, did I know that it's even more addictive when you own an xtool M2 laser engraver. So yeah, so here we go. I just want to know if anybody else has actually wound up figuring out that, yes, I'm being vulnerable here, folks. You wind up all of a sudden going overboard with finding tons of things to print with. So yeah, so I'm going to take all this stuff out and kind of show you what has actually wound up in this small little office space, trying to figure out what I'm going to do with this over here. So not only do I have tons of filament that I haven't used yet for my brand new printers, next thing you know, I'm in here ordering all types of stuff. Whole bunch of blanks, a lot of wood blanks, squares. This isn't even all of it. Got a whole nother thing here today as well. We can put it over here on the desk. Well, let's not forget, obviously, we needed some packaging to, in case, we sell some stuff. Oh, let's not forget a box full of goodies here as well. I'm going to put it over here on the desk and then show you guys. Not done yet. Oh no, we're definitely not done yet. Let's not forget this whole box full of goodies. And these as well. Thought I had everything out. More blanks, keychain rings. Well, that's it. That's in here in terms of the laser engraver. Of course, the rest of all this is filament. So go over here and show you kind of what we have going on. So I couldn't even get it all on the desk. So boxes and boxes and bags of wonderful stuff has shown up for this wonderful device here. And again, I've got the xtool M2 laser engraver, printer, cutter, and all that. And of course, I've been practicing on a lot of that stuff. Here again, you got some more materials and stuff that I'm pulling out and looking at, and little 46-in-1 tool to put into a wallet. And yes, there's another box down there. And then I have another tub of stuff right here. So yeah, I'm wondering if anybody else out there is having some of the same issues that I am, which is you get a wonderful device, you get all excited about it, and then next thing you know, you go well overboard when it comes to getting materials and supplies. And truthfully, you don't even have a real true plan on what you're going to do with it. You have hopeful plans, but you just don't know. So yeah, let's explore these, and then we'll talk about some thoughts.